Hi, welcome back. Let's try to break the answer for question number 15. Choose the correct behavior of the invoice list. Okay. So I'll just try to give options here. Okay. Which is correct and which is not correct. We are going to decide now. Solutive party receives single invoice instead of multiple individual invoices. And this is absolutely wrong. It's always pair friendly function. So option B is correct. Pair receives single invoice. That means you have a bunch of invoices. It will be clubbed and given as single invoice. Okay. And time intervals and dates are needed for uh, invoice list. Why? Because you will assign a there is in a customer master for pair function invoice list dates you will assign it. So definitely, so D is the correct answer. So C is wrong answer. It is based on cancellation type actually. So as of now, B and D is the correct answer. Factoring discount is mandatory for invoice listed. Everyone knows that factoring discount is the discount. Suppose if you added, suppose one invoice is 100 and another invoice is 100, like, five invoices, 500 is the net value plus tax on that. Suppose if you'd like to give some discount for paying 1% on 500, 1%, maybe like 50 or something like that. So, uh, what happens here, like, giving discount on invoice list is not at all mandatory. Okay, so he make you confused. People think that if factor discount, if they can see, they can go and immediately choose this. But you have to understand this, whether it is mandatory or not. Without that also, we can able to rise invoice list. It's the choice from the customer. So billing plan used for invoice list, this is absolutely wrong. All of the way above is absolutely wrong. So you try to see the correct answer for this is B and D. B and D, nothing else. That's it. Okay. So this is how they will try to confuse with the multiple answers for your certification preparation, and certain times you will have internal exam if you join in a new company below 4 years, or else after joining also how much experience you have. We have to attend basic test. That's why I'm just doing this one, just trying to utilize this as an opportunity. If you really like my video, please subscribe my channel. This is my YouTube channel, currently holding 840 plus videos. And this is my dedicated Udemy forum, currently holding 6,000 plus students. And this is my SD course with 114 hours. Don't worry about this ratings. This is, it was there like 5 and it is grown. Some people will be there and bunch, So this is for idoc training. Okay, so no one will try to give, bluff stories on 114 hours. Okay, there should be meaningful content. Please try to understand. So these two courses I specifically recommend getting master to write functional specification irrespective of any functional module. And this is one for idoc training. So these are the two practical courses for real time. You must do it. And for if you like pricing, so these are the place where, okay, this is one of my successful course currently holding 2,000 plus students. And this is with that motivation I have done one more course on S4 HANA. You can try all these courses. I'm just providing these links below of the video description box. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. Let's catch up in next question. Till then, stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Have a great day.